Hi! Today on ArawArawFilipino, we will learn to talk about other people in your life. This is another lesson on common nouns. Let us begin with sentences. The first girl said, "This is Jane. She is my neighbor. Ito si Jane. Kapit-bahay ko siya." This, ito, and we say si, Jane, because in Filipino, whenever we refer to someone by name, we say si plus the name. She, siya. My, ko. And neighbor, kapitbahay. The next girl said, "I know her. Kakilala ko siya." The Filipino sentence is actually, "She is my acquaintance." It's just that we don't commonly say that in English. We only say, "I know her." She, siya. My, ko. Acquaintance, kakilala. She is my friend. Kaibigan ko siya. Friend, kaibigan. Here are the common nouns that we just used. Neighbor, kapit-bahay. Acquaintance, kakilala. Friend, kaibigan. So more on the word friend or kaibigan. When we refer to two people who are friends, they are magkaibigan. So this is between two people. Their relationship is that they are friends. Magkaibigan. If we add another person to this, so the three girls are magkakaibigan. So when we refer to two people who are friends, we use the prefix mag plus the word. So magkaibigan. When we refer to more than two people, they are magkakaibigan. We use the prefix mag and we repeat the first two letters of the first syllable of the word. Kaibigan starts with ka. So, magkakaibigan. Here are some more sentences. Do you know Jen too? Kakilala din ninyo si Jen? You, ninyo. No, kakilala. To, din. The three of us are friends. Magkakaibigan kaming tatlo. Three, tatlo. Us, kami. The three of us, kaming tatlo. Friends, magkakaibigan. So aside from the words that we can derive from friend, let us do the same with neighbor or kapitbahay. Neighbors are magkapitbahay if we are talking about two people, and magkakapitbahay if we are talking about more than two people. Acquaintance, kakilala. Acquaintances are magkakilala if we are referring to two people, and magkakakilala if we are referring to more than two people. Let us look at some more sentences. Jane and I are classmates. magkaklase ako at si Jane. And at ako. Classmates, magkaklase. You can also just say, magkaklase kami ni Jane. Here is another set of common nouns for other people in our life. They are people at school or sa eskwela. We just saw classmate, kaklase. Schoolmate, someone who goes to the same school, kaeskwela. Teacher is guro. And student, estudiante. Let us continue the conversation between the three girls. And Jen, at si Jen, and at. We can also say in Filipino, si Jen. Jen is our schoolmate. Kaeskwela namin si Jen. Our, namin. Schoolmate, kaeskwela. We are schoolmates. Magkaka-eskwela kami. She said magkaka-eskwela because she is referring to the two girls here plus Jen. So more than two people, magkaka-eskwela. Let us look at how to derive words from the common nouns that we just used. Two people who are classmates are magkaklase. More than two people who are classmates are magkakaklase. Two people who are schoolmates are magka-eskwela. And more than two people who are schoolmates are magkaka-eskwela. What about teacher and student? They are simply guro at estudiante. We do not have a word in Filipino for this relationship except to say guro at estudiante. Let us use those other common nouns in sentences. Who is your teacher? Sino ang guro ninyo? Who, sino? Your, ninyo. Teacher, guro. Mrs. Santos is our teacher. Si Mrs. Santos ang guro namin. Our, namin. We are students of Mrs. Santos. Estudyante kami ni Mrs. Santos. We, kami. Students, estudiante. And we say ni Mrs. Santos. Ni is the possessive form. Those students belong to Mrs. Santos. Here is another set of common nouns for other people in our life. They are people at work or sa trabaho. Workmate, katrabaho. Office mate, kaopisina. Boss, amo. Staff, tauhan. Let us derive new words out of this new set of common nouns. Workmate, katrabaho. Two people who are workmates are magkatrabaho. More than two people who are workmates are magkakatrabaho. Next, office mate, kaopisina. So, two people who are office mates are magka-opisina. and more than two people who are office mates are magkaka-opisina. Next, the word boss or amo can be used to derive the relationship between boss and staff. The word for that is mag-amo if it is between a boss and a staff, two people. If it is between a boss and more than one staff, so more than two people, the word for that relationship is mag-a-amo. Do you notice the dash? When we follow the prefix mag with a word that starts with a vowel, we use dash. Now I will leave it up to you to form example sentences using these new words, as this will be a good exercise for you. That is our lesson for today. I hope you found it useful. And for your homework, write a list of people you know and how you know them in Filipino using the words we just learned. Read it out loud to yourself to practice your Filipino speaking vocal muscles. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!